Welcome everyone to this gentle evening flow. Starting in a seated position, we'll begin by taking 3 deep breaths. And then when you're ready, moving into some gentle twists, placing the right hand on the outer part of the left knee, looking over the left shoulder. And gently release, switching sides. Slowly untwisting the body, placing the hands on the mat, moving into a kneeling position, placing the left hand on the left side of the body, reaching the right hand up and over, coming into a gentle side stretch. And sweeping the right hand down, sweeping the left hand up, coming into a side stretch on the other side of the body. And we'll repeat these movements, sweeping the left hand down and the other arm up, moving at your own pace. And slowly release, moving into a tabletop position. Inhale, gaze moves up into cow pose. Exhale, round the back into cat pose. Moving through these two poses with your breath at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Slowly coming back to a neutral spine, walking the hands forward into puppy pose. Slowly walking the hands back up. Threading the right hand underneath the left, placing the left hand above the head. Moving into thread the needle. Gently lifting the body up and switching sides. Slowly lifting the body back up. Tucking the toes under, making your way into downward facing dog. Taking some slow and gentle movements, paddling through the legs. And slowly walking the feet up towards the hands, staying in a forward fold, holding onto the elbows and swaying from side to side, keeping a generous bend in the knees. Placing the hands on the legs, inhale, reach up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. And slowly lifting up the head and the chest, and coming up to standing, fixing the gaze on one point, feeling the floor beneath you. Bring the hands into prayer position, slowly bringing the right knee up towards the chest, and then when you're ready, gently reaching forwards with the chest, moving into Warrior 3. Hands can stay in prayer position or come to either side of the body. slowly dropping the right foot back into Warrior 2. Flipping the left hand over, release the right hand, moving into Reverse Warrior. Gently release Warrior 2 and windmill the hands down, stepping back into Downward Facing Dog. Slowly walking the feet up towards the hands, moving into a standing position and preparing yourself for doing the same on this side, fixing the gaze on one point. Hands come into prayer position, knee comes up towards the chest, and slowly reaching forward, sending the left foot back into Warrior 3. Hands can stay in prayer position or come to either side of the body. Gently dropping the left foot back into Warrior 2. Flipping the right hand over, releasing the left hand, Reverse Warrior. Gently release Warrior 2. Bringing the hands to the hips, swiveling the right foot forwards, releasing the chest forwards, moving into a wide forward fold. And slowly and calmly heel toe the feet in, making your way into a seated position on the mat. And slowly lowering to lay down. Bringing the legs in towards the chest, giving yourself a big hug. And placing the hands onto the soles of the feet, moving into Happy Baby pose. Gently rocking from side to side. Slowly bringing the knees back in towards the chest. and releasing them over towards the left side, cactusing both arms. And switching sides. Slowly bringing the knees back in towards the chest, releasing them towards the mat, placing the soles of the feet to touch so the knees drop to either side of the body, placing the hands above the head, allowing the eyes to close, spending the next few moments in stillness, and I'll call you back when it's time. And thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time.